Hey tech lovers! OnePlus 13T is here. Insane battery, elite speed, sleek looks, but it's stuck in China? Let's break down why this phone might just be your next obsession, if you can get it. First off, let's talk about its battery upgrade. With a 6260 mAh battery, this phone could probably power your neighborhood, or at least get you through a weekend of gaming, GPS, and stalking your crush on Instagram. You only charge once a week. OnePlus 13T, probably. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite? Faster than regret. This chip is so powerful, you might actually get more done on your phone than your laptop. Apps launch instantly, games run smooth, and your phone doesn't heat up like it's trying to fry an egg. What about the quick key, alert slider? You can assign actions to this customizable button, flashlight, camera, or launching TikTok to distract yourself from responsibilities. The sexy, sleek design that screams premium. The pinkish color? A vibe. The build quality? Solid. The look? Like it belongs on a catwalk instead of in your sweaty gamer hands. Now, let's give a look to the stuff that'll make you raise an eyebrow. If you're a OnePlus purist, you probably shed a single tear for the missing alert slider. Replacing it feels like deleting your childhood save file. Painful. No wireless charging in 2025? It's 2025. My coffee mug charges wirelessly. Why are we still plugging in phones like it's 2014? Global release? Do I look like I have a passport? Only available in China, for now. If you're outside of China, you'll need to either import it or befriend a smuggler, or just wait patiently like a normal person. OnePlus has previously released T-series models globally, so an international launch may be possible in the future. Overall, the OnePlus 13T is like that friend who shows up late but brings pizza. You'll love the performance, battery life, and design. Just know you'll have to deal with some quirks, and possibly use a translator app if you're importing it. So, smash that like button if OnePlus has ever broken your heart. Hit subscribe for more brutally honest reviews, and comment below.